In this video, I'm going to show you something very important on the Euro USD price chart and probably where to take a trade from and how your analysis should be focused and the way you should analyze the market for the next market move. This very analysis, no one actually talk about this, but I'm going to show you that in a very simple way. Help support the channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos, educational content and day trading strategy. Right here on the Euro USD chart, if you look at it, the market is making progressive new highs. From this very point, market move upward and then come back to the downside and then move upward again, come back to the downside, and right now market is on a progressive move upward. One thing very important on this chart is that we've seen that the market has been making progressive new highs to the upside, which is very important. And the next thing you have to consider is the way market drop down. Okay, so we have to look at the way market was dropping to the downside from this very area. Okay, so market from here come back to the downside and we have a little pause here and the market come back down. We have a retracement, market come back to the downside. So from here, market from this very area, if you look at it, when market move upward, it did not create a high, which was not higher than this very one. It was this very one that make us to understand that a possible buy entry is possible after the creation of this very high right here, which is higher than the previous one at this very point. So from here, this was the right time to begin to look for buy opportunity on Euro USD to the upside. So from this very point, market move upward, and then this very area we see a spike, then before the market move upward. Now the next thing is there is a buy opportunity that is coming into the market right now. I'm going to show you how you should pay attention to this buy opportunity and take advantage. Okay, so from this very point, market drop right now. Remember, that is where the market is right now. So if you properly draw this out, this is very significant on the chart right here, that market pause at this very point before the next move upward. Okay, then we see a very nice supply here, market drop back down. That was this reaction at this very point. So market move upward again and at this very point. So what I am paying attention to is for the market to retrace before you can take any buy position. Right now is not the right time to sell the market. It's not also the right time to buy the market. It's a waiting period for me. So what I am expecting is a possible move upward, which is very significant. Market should move a little bit upward, you know, higher than this very peak at this very area. Then once we see that, that will give us a sign for a liquidity grab from this very point. Then the market is going to retrace for us to now take a buy position before the next move to the upside. This is the exact thing that I am doing right now, and what I am paying attention to is what I'm showing you right here. So the right thing to do right now is not just to take a buy position or a sell position. The right thing to do is to wait for this to happen. Let me remove this so you can see what I'm talking about very clearly. If you look at this very area on the chart, it's very significant that this is the very high point that the market get to before this very drop to the downside. So if I draw this out at this very point, is very clear right here. So from this very point to this very area, which is very important on the chart right now. And if you look at what the market did previously, from this very area, market crossed this very line and give us a new high, which was at this very point. Okay, so we see a new high from here upward to this very area. The market drop, give a nice buy opportunity before the market move upward. That is exact same thing that I am looking out for right here. So market should move upward, creating a little new high above this very high right here. So market should move from this very area, create a new high very little high above the previous high, as you can see at this very point, and then we should see that very correction come into the market. Then after the correction, market is going to move up again for the next impulsive move. I still believe that this market is going to move upward. We are still in this very upward movement, and this is very important. So very little traders analyze this way, allowing liquidity to be grabbed from the market and then wait for retracement before you can then enter the market. Look at it, it's play out right here. When the market move upward, we want to see that the market really move upward. From this very point, market move upward. People were expecting that the market should come back down. Market did not. Okay, then from here we see that very little drop before the market move upward to this very area. So that is exact same thing you should be focusing on right now. Focus on the market moving upward from this very area upward and get us a little new high, higher than the previous high at this very point. Once we see that, then the next retracement that will come from this very zone to the downside will be the nice time to wait for a buy opportunity to come into the market for the next move upward. And the area you should focus on to take that very buy opportunity from is this very level of important resistance right here, which will turn support, and this very level of important support right here, which is also resistance right here, and they will turn support at this very point for the market to move upward. So this very point is an important level to pay attention to for the market to move upward, and this very area of support as well is an important level also to pay attention to for the market to move upward. This is what you most have to pay attention to right now. So all you need to do is to wait for this very move to happen, for the market to move upward and then come back down for you to take that very buy opportunity to the upside. This is very important on the Euro USD chart right now. Apply this in your strategy and what you're looking at right now on the Euro USD chart. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that you receive update like this when next I upload a new video. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.